What's up guys, Perry from Rockville here, and today we're going to be going over all the wires, inputs, and outputs on the RWS-12CA. So if we take a look at the side of the sub here, you'll see that we have all of the controls, inputs, and outputs for the sub. So at the top we have the high level input, and this is so we can connect the sub to a head unit that doesn't have any RCA outputs. So what you would do is take the included wire harness here, connect this end into the high level input, and then connect these wires for the left and the right channel to the high level output wires on the back of your head unit. Under that we have the remote input, so we can connect the included base remote knob. So you're going to take one end of this cable and plug it into the base remote knob, then connect the other end into the remote input on the side of your sub. Underneath that we have the RCA input to connect our music source or our head unit. So you would take any RCA cable and connect one end to your head unit or music source, then connect the other end into the RCA inputs here. Underneath that we have the gain knob to set the level for our sub. We actually have a whole video that you guys can check out on how to set the gain for your subwoofer to your head unit and your overall setup. Next we have the low pass filter, which is going to set the frequency range that's playing through the sub. So for example, if I were to set this knob to 100 Hertz, anything from 100 Hertz and below is going to be playing out of the sub. And lastly, we have the 12 volt remote and ground terminals to connect to your vehicle. So the 12 volt line will run to the 12 volt of your battery for your vehicle. The remote line would run to the accessory or ignition switch for your vehicle. And the ground wire would go to the metal chassis of your vehicle. Again, we have a full video you guys can check out in case you need help setting your amplifier to your vehicle. In these videos, the amplifier may be separate from the subwoofer, but the same principles would apply because the amplifier is actually built into this sub. So hopefully this helped you guys understand what all of the wires, inputs, and outputs do for the RWS-12CA. But of course, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, feel free to reach out to our customer support team through phone or email. As always, I'm Perry from Rockville, and we'll see you guys next time.